Hi guys, this is a game I found in the internet, and they like to call it Cat Mario. It is like exactly like Mario, and I've never played this before, so no idea what's gonna happen. And they say it's really hard, and my friend told me to download this. He say I'm gonna get mad, but I'll just try. Hey, good luck. Times 2 lives on me. So I'm a cat. Okay, that doesn't like to be killed. There's a mushroom here. And what? Oh my god. Okay, coins. What's up here? Oh no. I think these are bad guys. Ooh! So close. And down doesn't like to be killed. What's in here? Oh my god! What? Come back! Okay. Okay. Okay, definitely don't go in that room. Okay, oh. Okay. That ghost put me off. No, this is my last life. Avoid that. Oh my god! What is wrong with this game? What? How do you get negative lives? Okay. Now, I think I've got to jump a little early. Or, yeah, got this. Yeah, mushroom. Oh my god! How? Okay, bricks fall down in this game. Okay, avoid that. Ah, screw you, mushroom. I'll just jump over this brick. And it's gonna fall. Oh! Oh! Yeah, checkpoint. What? You kidding me? Oh, negative 3 lives? Okay, what's in here? What? I don't want coins. I don't want coins. Oh my god. How am I supposed to get out? Oh my god. I don't usually rage at games, but this game's so... Oh! Again. Okay, I'll just die. No way out anyway. Okay, missed that because there's the brick falls down over there. Over here. I just missed it. Ooh, so close. How am I supposed to go through here? There's one. Oh, yeah. I just jump over it. What? Cloud kills you? Okay, this game's so weird. Kill that. Jump over. Okay, I'm not gonna touch you, Cloud. Yeah. What? Are you kidding me? How? Okay, at least I know what's gonna happen. Just avoid those. And just go slowly. Whoa! Okay. So what now? Whoa! Laser! The pool shoots laser? Yeah. What? Ah! Oh, so close. Okay, the thing about this game is that it's so hard and gets you so frustrated. And sometimes you just see things that you're not expecting, like that, like um like that one. See? And the other clouds doesn't kill you. I think that cloud's evil. Okay, jump over this. The laser comes out. Where? Oh, there. Um, I think I gotta jump over that pole to actually finish level 1. I'll just give it a try. Oh, is it even possible? Ah, damn, this game's so frustrating. I'm not gonna rage. This is my last. Okay, I take back what I said. I did rage. Okay, no more. No more mistakes. Definitely don't touch that cloud. Oh! Damn. You kidding me? Okay, jump over. What's in here? Not even gonna try. Oh, it's the 4th one. Yeah, take that. Laters, got your number. Hey, look. Oh! I didn't think it's possible. I'll just try once more. Come on! Oh, so close to that cloud. Negative 14? You're kidding me. Okay, this game's so stupid. Yeah, take that. Damn. Okay, that laser comes out. Avoid that by jumping straight. I just found out. Yeah, take that. Yeah, I finished level 1. Yeah. Now level 2. Okay, this one. What? See, this is what I hate about this game. Is that supposed to be good or bad? I'll just give it a try. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, finally passed it. So, what? Okay, that brick falls down. And it could be in here. Hey, mushroom. It's gotta be a normal one. Oh! You serious? Okay, I hate this game. Okay, there's spikes in that one. Negative 20 lives. Okay, you think that's why they gave it negative lives? It's so hard. Whoa! Avoid that one. Ah! That's supposed to be a big version of me. Okay, why do I have a feeling that red brick's gonna collapse on me? I'll just give it a try. Oh, whoa! Okay. How am I supposed to dodge that? Then I just gotta go back and do it really fast. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, how am I supposed to get through this part? Is it even possible? Damn. Yeah! Take that. Star. What? Okay. Nope. Can't get through this part. I think I just have to get the timing right to be able to pass that. Okay, this should work. Yeah! Knew it. Okay, what's this? Oh, that is beautiful. How am I supposed to get through that? Impossible. Okay, never touch that green question mark. Yeah. Yeah, got it right. Avoid that thing after this. Woo! Whoa! Okay, that gave me a fright. I got this. Well, I got that mastered. Perfect. Now, never touch that one. Just get the timing right on this one. Okay, that was my poor timing. I got the brick thingy mastered. And this one also, I think. Yes. Wait. Ah, failed. Damn it. Okay, I'll do this once more. If I don't pass this, I'm gonna kill the producer. Ah, failed. Okay, once more. Okay, stars kills you. Okay. Come on. No. Fail again. Disappointment. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this. My dad's calling me. Okay. Now, I just dodged this. Oh. Didn't expect that. Once more. Yeah. Oh no. Wait. Ah, just got it. Okay, I'm not gonna touch that thing. Dang! Hate those balls. I think I mastered that brick thing. Oh, fail. Knew it. Okay, I'm just gonna be quiet for now. I'm gonna concentrate. Urgh. Urgh. Okay, I'll get it. Yeah. I think I got this just right. Yeah, I did. Ah, keep on games. Ah. Okay, one more. If I want, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna rage. If I don't get this. If I don't get this, I'm gonna rage. Yeah! And watch out for that. This collapse. Yeah! Now, what about this one?
What? Oh, finish! Okay, that was easy. And I'm gonna stop this now. Yeah, thanks for watching.